Once you've set your outrigger hooks to the correct width of the bobbins that are fitted to your swinging arm, simply roll the stand and line up your left outrigger hook with your left bobbin, and then push the bike sideways, simultaneously pushing the stand down whilst aligning the right bobbin. Once you've done that, it's easy. So be sure to position the safety handle in this way. The bottom of the safety handle fits into this notch, very important. If it's not aligned, the R-clip will not go in the hole. So the bottom of the safety handle in the notch, once that's done, R-clip through, and then you have your safety handle fitted. When the rear stand is fitted, simply roll the front sled under the tyre, pull the bike forward onto the sled, push down, away you go.